री की मात्रा। म में री की मात्रा मृ। न में री की मात्रा नृ। व में री की मात्रा व्री। त में री की मात्रा त्रि। प में री की मात्रा प्री। मृग deer, nrip king, कृषक farmer, वृषभ ox। कृषक की कृपा। एक कृषक था, वह ईख उगाता था। एक मृग भागता हुआ आया, वह ईख में छुप गया। This means एक कृषक था, there was a farmer, वह ईख उगाता था। ईख means sugarcane. So he was cultivating sugarcane in his field. एक मृग भागता हुआ आया। One day he saw a deer running towards his field. वह ईख में छुप गया। So the deer was hiding inside the sugarcane crop. तभी धनुष बाण लिए एक नृप आया। नृप शिकार करना चाहता था। वह पूछ रहा था, मृग किधर गया? कृषक चुप रहा। नृप उधर से चला गया। मृग बच गया। कृषक बहुत खुश था। This means when the deer was hiding inside the sugarcane field, धनुष बाण means bow and arrow लिए एक नृप आया। A king carrying his bow and arrow came there. नृप शिकार करना चाहता था। शिकार means hunting. So the king wanted to hunt animals. वह पूछ रहा था। So the king came to the farmer and he was asking the farmer, मृग किधर गया? So the king wanted to hunt the deer. So he was asking, मृग किधर गया? Where did the deer go? कृषक चुप रहा। The farmer kept quiet. He did not say anything to the king. He did not answer the king. नृप उधर से चला गया। So the king went away from that place. मृग बच गया। The deer was saved. कृषक बहुत खुश था। So the farmer was very very happy. So why was he happy? Because he saved the life of a deer. Well, one more time. कृषक की कृपा। एक कृषक था, वह ईख उगाता था। एक मृग भागता हुआ आया, वह ईख में छुप गया। तभी धनुष बाण लिए एक नृप आया। नृप शिकार करना चाहता था। वह पूछ रहा था, मृग किधर गया? कृषक छुप रहा। नृप उधर से चला गया। मृग बच गया। कृषक बहुत खुश था। Hope you all understood the story. There was a sugarcane farmer. He was farming his sugarcane in the field. A deer came running towards his field and it was hiding in the sugarcane field. Then a king came with his bow and arrow hunting the deer. But the deer was hiding inside the sugarcane field, so the king could not see the deer. So he asked the farmer, did you see the deer? Where did the deer go? The farmer did not give any answer. He did not respond to the king. So the king went away from there, and hence the deer was saved. And the farmer was very happy. अभ्यास exercise। शब्द अर्थ word meaning। तृण grass। Drig, ice. Kripan, saber. Amrit, nectar. Grih, home. Vriksh, tree. Shikar, hunt. Chup raha, kept quiet. Thank you.